Time to explore Innsbruck. Hello friend, welcome to my channel Joy Food and Traveler. Today I am going to take you to the city tour of beautiful Innsbruck, which is located in Austria, middle of the Alps. Both sides there are mountains, and in middle there is also river Inn passing through. So Innsbruck name is coming from the river Inn, which is passing through the city. Yeah, city center is also really awesome to see. There is all historical building, there is all monuments, museums, and many things to explore. There is also golden roof, which is the point of attraction. This museum, there is a museum tower as well. So there are many things to explore in the city center. I will put this all information in my description box. So if you are coming to the Innsbruck, then you can find the all important information there. Yeah, and the good thing is there, if you are planning to come here for 1 day, 2 day, or 3 day, there is a Innsbruck card which you can buy according to your stay. For example, if you are staying for 1 day, then you can buy Innsbruck card for 1 day. The benefit of Innsbruck card is that all the local transportation is included, and also there are many museums, and there is many mountains, ropeways, cable cars are included. So if you have the Innsbruck card, then you don't need to pay fees for that, and this Innsbruck card costs really less than if you individually pay for the cable cars or something like that. Yeah, so I really recommend it to buy this Innsbruck card if you are visiting Innsbruck. So normally parking is the big issue in the city center, or it is really costly. So what you can do, or what we did, is like we wanted to visit the Nordkletter Ban. Ban is like we wanted to go on the top of mountain. It's called Nordkletter, which is around 2,300 meter, and the starting point, or ropeway starting point, is somewhere near to the city center. So we park our car there, and if you have the Innsbruck card, then normally parking is free there, so you can park your car there and visit the mountains, and you can spend rest of the day to explore the city. And yeah, this kind of activities you can do there. And yeah, so we park car near to that ropeway center, and then we explore the city. How to spend your 2 or 3 days if you're coming here, and there are many other information, so kindly check my description box to for more information. When we were there, luckily we have chance to visit the local festival there. There were many shops, local shops there for food and other activities, and yeah, it was nice experience and nice feeling to have this kind of being the part of this kind of festival. It looks beautiful in summer as well as in winter too. So what you can do is like spend 1 day to explore the city, visit some museum. Next day you can go to visit some mountains. And yeah, here is our clips from mountain. We visited two mountains there. One is the North Glacier mountain, and second one is the Patscherkofel mountain. Both mountains are approximately 2,300 meter on height, and from there you have really beautiful view of city Innsbruck. And Innsbruck is also known for the winter sport activities. So if you are a fan of winter sport activities, then this is the perfect place for you. the all information about from where to buy this Innsbruck card, which activities to do there, how can you spend your 3 days there. If you are coming for 2 days, then what activities you can do in 2 days. All informations are in my description box, so from there you can have a look and you can make plan accordingly. There is also a Swarovski museum. If you are interested to see this Swarovski museum, then you can also go there. This is very famous for jewelers and diamonds, and yeah, it's also interesting to see this museum. Yeah, this is the view from Patscherkofel mountains. When we were there, it was weather was not that good, but after some time it getting clear and we really have the good view from there. There are also many um, people who are doing this winter sport activity skiing. It was nice to see them too. Overall, it was really worth to visit. And yeah, if you are interested in mountains and nature beauty, then this is really heaven for you. You will not disappointed by visiting this place for sure. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. If you like my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's motivate me. Thank you very much guys and see you in next video. Have fun. Bye bye.